Your Fox 29 Weather Authority. The weather on Saturday was still rocking, but we want to know about Sunday, Domenica.
Yeah, well, you know, tomorrow does not look bad. We do have a risk of thunderstorms, and unfortunately that risk is going to stick around through the first of the week. But as we set up this unsettled weather pattern, I would say tomorrow is probably the best of the next 3 days coming up. So let's get to it, and we'll show you what's happening right now. Very mild temperatures, and it's muggy out there. The dew points have been climbing, and it's really starting to feel humid. So that's going to take us right into tomorrow. It's not only going to be hot, but the humidity comes back as well. 74 only in the city, so that's pretty mild. We have fairly uniform temperatures. We're in the low 70s, a few upper 60s there through the Poconos, where we did have a few showers and some passing thunderstorms earlier today. We saw that in Lancaster County too, and then pretty much through Montgomery County, Bucks County, you all had a little bit of activity. It wasn't much, a lot of heavy rain, but tomorrow what we'll see is more widespread activity that comes into play late in the afternoon and then through much of tomorrow evening. So here's how it's going to play out on FUTURECAST. Not calling tomorrow a washout at all. I think this is a little aggressive. We're starting here at 7 a.m. and it's showing some batches of showers. I think that's aggressive. I think for most of us it's dry, and we'll start out with partly cloudy skies. As the day goes on, it's mainly increasing clouds. 2 o'clock, you can see those lines of thunderstorms are starting to form to our west. So it's late in the afternoon. This starts to come in. It will affect our western zones first, and then by the time it gets into the city, we're looking after dinner time. So just keep that in mind. If you're driving home from the beach or the Poconos, or if you're going to be doing some driving in the evening, just keep in mind you may have some storms to contend with. Scattered storms through Sunday evening, and then this scenario pretty much plays out again and again Monday and Tuesday. Only it looks like on Monday and Tuesday we could be in for some severe weather. So here's what's to expect for this week. Tomorrow morning, it's a dry start, but we do have increasing clouds, and again, it's going to be hot and humid. It's in the afternoon when that chance of thunderstorms comes into play, but it's safe on the shore. Tomorrow's still a good beach day. We don't really see much of the clouds or the thunderstorm activity until nighttime for the shore. So it will be great the further east you go. And then for Monday and Tuesday, it gets real hot and sticky, and severe storms will be likely. We're already put in a slight risk for severe weather on Monday across the area. So as far as the Phillies game goes tomorrow, I'm going to call it's a dry one. It will just be hot and humid, but I think the thunderstorms hold off until after the game. It's a 1:35 start time. 82 degrees is what the temperature should be right at the start. There's a look at your Sunday snapshot. It's humid in the city again. The thunderstorms hold off, I would say, until closer to dinner time. For the Poconos, you're going to get them the earliest. So I think it's fair game after about 1, 2 o'clock for you to see some showers and thunderstorm. And then the shore, it holds off really until nighttime. So your day, you're looking at mostly sunny skies and temperatures right around 82 degrees. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast, and we'll pick this up on Monday. Calling for some severe weather coming into play Monday. It stays unsettled through Tuesday. Could still see some strong thunderstorms move through the area. And then notice the temperature drop. It gets much cooler in here by Wednesday. The jet stream dips way low, and we are in the low 80s through the rest of the week. So it will certainly feel good Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Good that the weather will hold off for the Phillies, you think, because they only got about 12 hours before they get back to work. Thanks, Domenica. Let's head on over to Tom.